What's up guys, this is Dan from Softopper. Welcome to another episode of Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to be talking about installing your camper top tent extension. Before starting your installation, we recommend you start with a rolled up window and dropping your tailgate. The kit includes the camper top tent and 3 tent poles. Start by taking the tan part of your tent and draping it over the top of your truck. Make sure the bottom blue section is tucked underneath your tailgate. Next, take your front bungee and secure it to the front of the vehicle. Make sure both sides are secure before proceeding. Attach the lower bungee to the rear tire well. Once again, make sure both sides are secure. Up next is our tent pole assembly. We recommend adjusting these from inside the tent. Your horizontal bar will have 2 pre-drilled holes. Your vertical tent poles will have a black plastic tip. When your tent poles are assembled, you'll place the vertical bars in the corner of your tailgate. Make sure your vertical tent poles are in a place where they're both out of the way and secure. Once your tent poles are in place, use the thumb screw to adjust the length of your tent poles. From inside the tent, extend the tent poles to apply maximum tension. Use your remaining bungee to secure the tent to the bottom of the tailgate. If your bungee cords are too long, tie the cord in a knot to create more tension. You can adjust any of the bungees using this technique. Once everything's secure, you're good for your next adventure. Thanks for watching this episode of Tips and Tricks. Check us out at softopper.com for more.